Hello students, good morning everyone. Today I am going to teach class 6 Geography Unit 2 Land and Oceans Part B Third Order Landforms. Students, before entering into the class, once again I recall what we have seen in previous session. Okay, let's start. The landforms are classified into three categories. They are first order, second order, and third order landforms. First order contains continents and oceans. Second order contains mountains, plateaus, and plains. Good. Now coming to the third order landforms. Let us know about them. Third order landforms are formed on mountains, plateaus, and plains mainly by erosional and depositional activities of rivers, glaciers, winds, and waves. Glaciers means rivers of ice. Valleys, beaches, and sand dunes are some examples of third order landforms. Next topic is erosion and deposition. Erosion is the process of removal of surface material from the earth's crust. The eroded material are transported and deposited on the low-lying areas. Eroded material means taken away materials or dissolved materials. This process is called as deposition. Students, erosion and deposition are activities of opposite nature. The first one is removal of surface material like sand, and the second one is eroded material getting deposited or gathered in another place. From the continent and landforms, let us switch over to the water sphere. It is also called as hydrosphere. We studied that there are 7 continents on the earth. Do you know how many oceans are there? There are 5 main oceans in the world. Next, we will go to the oceans. The earth looks blue when we see it from the space. This is because 2/3 of it is covered by water. The water is found in oceans and seas. What is mean by oceans? Oceans are vast expanse of water. Seas are water bodies partially or fully enclosed by land. There are 5 main oceans in the world. They are Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic Ocean. Next topic is area of oceans. In the world, 47% covered by Pacific, 23% covered by Atlantic, 20% covered by Indian Ocean, 6% covered by Southern Ocean, as well as 4% covered by Arctic Ocean. Let us first study about the Pacific Ocean. Pacific, the name has been derived from the Latin name Mare Pacificum, which means peaceful sea. Pacific Ocean was named by the Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese sailor or navigator. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean on the earth. It covers about 1/3 of the Earth's total area and spread for about 168.72 million square kilometers. It is bounded by Asia and Australia in its west and North America and South America in its east. It stretches from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. The ocean's shape is roughly triangular with its apex. Apex means tip. In the north at the Bering Strait, which connects the Pacific Ocean with the Arctic Ocean. The Bering Sea, the China Sea, the Sea of Japan, Tasman Sea, and the Philippine Sea are some of the marginal seas of the Pacific Ocean. Marginal means boundaries. Indonesia, Philippines, Japan, Hawaii, New Zealand are some of the islands located in this ocean. The deepest point, Mariana Trench. Trench means deepest part of the ocean, is 10,994 meters and is located in the Pacific Ocean. If Mount Everest, which is the highest peak, 8,848 meters, was placed into the Mariana Trench, still there would be 2,146 meters of water left. Wow! It is an amazing fact. The chain of volcanoes is located around the Pacific Ocean called the Pacific Ring of Fire. Next, we are going to learn about the Atlantic Ocean. The name Atlantic is derived from the legendary island of Atlantis. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean on Earth. It covers 1/6 of the Earth's total area and spreads for about 85.13 million square kilometers. It is bounded by North America and South America in the west and Europe and Africa in the east. Like the Pacific, it stretches from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. The shape of the Atlantic Ocean resembles the letter S. The Strait of Gibraltar connects the Atlantic Ocean with the Mediterranean Sea. Strait means we already saw that strait is a water body connecting two major water bodies. The Atlantic Ocean is the busiest shipping route between the eastern and western hemispheres. The deepest point is the Milwaukee Deep in the Puerto Rico Trench. Trench means deepest part of the ocean. It has a depth of about 8,600 meters. The Caribbean Sea, the Gulf of Mexico, the North Sea, the Gulf of Guinea, and the Mediterranean Sea are important marginal seas of the Atlantic Ocean. St. Helena, Newfoundland, Iceland, and Falkland are some of the islands found in this ocean. Next ocean is the Indian Ocean. Its name derived from the country India. It is the warmest ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean on the Earth's surface. It covers an area of about 70.56 million square kilometers. It is named after India. It is triangular in shape and bounded by Africa in the west, Asia in the north, and Australia in the east. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Mauritius, and the Reunion Islands are some of the islands located in the Indian Ocean. What is meant by island? A land surrounded by water on all sides. Malacca Strait connects the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. The Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea, the Persian Gulf, and the Red Sea are some of the important marginal seas of the Indian Ocean. Bay, it means a broad inlet of the seas where the land curves inwards. The Java Trench, 7,725 meters, is the deepest point in the Indian Ocean. Next, I will teach about the Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean is also named as Antarctic Ocean, South Polar Ocean, or Great Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean surrounds the continent of Antarctica and is enclosed by the 60 degrees south latitude. It covers an area of 21.96 million square kilometers. It is bordered by the southern parts of the Pacific, the Atlantic, and the Indian Oceans. The Ross Sea, the Weddell Sea, and the Davis Sea are the marginal seas of this ocean. Fowler Island, Bowman Island, and the Hearst Island are some of the islands located in this ocean. The water in this ocean is very cold. Much of it is covered by sea ice. The deepest point in the ocean is South Sandwich Trench with a depth of 7,235 meters. Next, we will step on to the Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. It covers an area of 15.56 million square kilometers. It lies within the Arctic Circle. It remains frozen for most of the year. The Norwegian Sea, the Greenland Sea, the East Siberian Sea, and the Barents Sea are some of the marginal seas of this ocean. Greenland, New Siberian Island, and Novaya Zemlya Island are some of the islands located in the Arctic Ocean. The North Pole is situated in the middle of the Arctic Ocean. The Eurasian Basin is the deepest point in the Arctic Ocean, which is about 5,449 meters in depth. Next, I will give the tricks to remember the ocean. The word paisa is a trick to remember the ocean. Spell the word paisa. P-A-I-S-A. P for Pacific, A for Atlantic, I for Indian, S for Southern, A for Arctic. This is the easy way to remember the ocean. Next, I will sum up the lesson. The surface of the earth is covered by 71% of water and 29% of land. Landforms are classified as first order, second order, and third order landforms. Continents and oceans are the first order landforms. There are 7 continents and 5 oceans on the earth's surface. Mountains, plateaus, and plains are the second order landforms. Valleys, beaches, and sand dunes are the third order landforms. Many islands and marginal seas are found in the oceans. I have given an evaluation part of the lesson. I hope you understand the lesson clearly. Thank you, students.